All right, my small business owner is looking to figure out how in the world is SEO work, and I need the secret. So I'm here to help you because it's all about online visibility. What is SEO? Search engine optimization. My name is Michael Gabriel, and I'm here to deliver you some secrets of online success that helps you solve this whole mystery of SEO. And together we're gonna uncover, I'm gonna say some ancient secrets, but really some secrets that are gonna help you get to the next level. So are you ready? All right, so keywords are the building blocks of SEO magic. They're the secret, let's say, that helps summons the search engine traffic to your website. Mastering keyword research helps you uncover phrases that your audiences are seeking, and you want to infuse those keywords and watch your ability soar as you put those into your website. All right, so let's talk about the second thing. It's really about content enchantment, right? So content is really like the potion that fuels SEO, these spells, the abundance of captivating these search engines and human visitors. So create high quality content that's relevant to the answers and questions that your audience wants to solve or get answered, and watch how your visitors come. So make sure that you're putting engaging content and answering questions. All right, so links are the next connection that bind this whole website thing together. So make sure that you're passing authority and relevance from one site to the next. So engage with linking and backlinks, maybe to reputable websites in your industry. Sometimes your social media will work, but make sure your website authority needs backlinks so that it is reputable amongst your industry. All right, so the next thing is, let's talk about kind of like behind the curtain, or like the technical aspects and optimizations, right? So the art of your website structure, the mobile optimization, and the site speed will help you ensure that your website is fine-tuned so that the Google engine gods deliver a seamless user experience, because that's what this is all about, a seamless user experience. So make sure that you're optimized for mobile and your loading speeds are good. All right, so just gotta remember, knowledge is power in the realm of SEO, and analytics is like this crystal ball. So embrace the magic of data to your website's performance. It's help you identify opportunities and engagement. Make sure that you're always viewing your insights, that your speed loads, and make sure that you're always looking for continuous growth. And that's how you have it. Those are some secret magic for how to optimize your SEO and have a good online visibility and watch your traffic soar in new heights. My name is Michael Gabriel, and if you need help with a marketing strategy, please reach out to me, DM me, and let's set up an appointment. Talk to you soon.